You have used ChatGPT, but what if AI does not just answer, it acts? Welcome to AI agents powered by large language models. An AI agent is a system that observes the world, makes decisions, and takes actions toward a goal. Large language models, LLM, like GPT-4, serve as the brain of modern AI agents, interpreting goals and generating action plans. To turn an LLM into an agent, we surround it with memory, tool access, a planning loop, and an execution controller. Here's a simple agent example. Say you tell your agent, book me a flight to NYC. It breaks the task down, plans, searches flights, and books tickets, all autonomously. In tech and DevOps space, AI agents can be used to build various applications, including code assistants, agents that read docs, generate, debug, and refactor code. Auto triage bots diagnose and fix build, as well as test failures by calling logs, scripts, and monitoring tools. Infrastructure agents spin up servers, manage cloud resources based on goals. In finance space, AI agents can be used to build market research agents, collect and summarize stock info, news, reports. Portfolio rebalancing agents suggest trades based on goals and constraints. Fraud investigation, agents that analyze transaction patterns. In the enterprise, AI agents can be used for meeting summarizers, join Zoom, summarize action items, schedule follow-ups. Email agents draft, prioritize, or auto-reply to emails based on user intent. Knowledge assistants fetch policies, guidelines, or documents from company wikis. In e-commerce space, we can also use AI agent to build. Shopping agents compare prices, summarize reviews, auto-purchase when prices drop, support chatbots, escalate intelligently, troubleshoot, or create tickets. Inventory agents monitor stock and reorder from suppliers. Here are some of the real-world AI agents. GitHub Copilot by OpenAI and GitHub. It understands context, integrates APIs. It is being used by millions of developers. Devin by Cognition Labs, one of the first end-to-end autonomous coding agents. Reads bug tickets, plans, writes, debugs, and deploys code. AutoML agents, agents that tune machine learning pipelines automatically, decide features, model types, and hyperparameters. Under the hood, we combine LLMs with planning loops, tool APIs, memory systems, and safe execution environments. Planning is often built using loops like React, which consists of 3 phases: reason, act, and observe, which help agents think step by step. Here's how the agent may proceed using React for the book me a flight to NYC example. At step 1, agent interpret user intent. The thought is that the user wants a flight to New York City. I need to find the destination airport and travel date. The action is query user to ask the travel date. At step 2, agent will try to get travel date. When user replies, this Friday afternoon, agent will give it a thought that today is Tuesday, so this Friday is April 19th. Preferred time is afternoon. So the action is query calendar and check user availability on April 19th afternoon. The step 3 is checking availability. Suppose the observation is no conflicts in calendar. Then the thought might be searching flights from the user's home airport to NYC. The action will be calling Flight Search API. The step 4 is finding options. Suppose the observation is found flights at various slots with different prices. Then the thought could be choosing the best balance of time and cost. The action could be query user and ask whether to book the chosen flights or not. Then the step 5 is confirm and book. Suppose the user replies yes, then the agent could be proceeding and booking the flights. Now the task is finished. Let's break down chain of thought and tree of thought, 2 powerful prompting and reasoning techniques that help LLMs and AI agents tackle multi-step problems more effectively. What is chain of thought? The key idea is, instead of jumping straight to an answer, chain of thought guides the model to explain its reasoning step by step, like showing your work in math class. Here is an example for arithmetic reasoning. Suppose the prompt is, if there are 3 cars and each car has 4 wheels, how many wheels are there in total? With chain of thought, the agent can answer, each car has 4 wheels, there are 3 cars, so 3 times 4 equals 12 wheels in total. Chain of thought improves planning in complex tasks and helps the agent think out loud before acting. What is tree of thought? The key idea is, instead of a single chain, generate multiple reasoning paths and evaluate them like a tree. This allows the model to explore, branch, and backtrack. It has steps of branching, consider different options at decision points; pruning, discard bad paths early; evaluation, score or simulate different paths. It is used in math and reasoning benchmarks. Agents with search planning ability. React plus tree of thought can be powerful multi-agent systems. Tools are key. Agents can search the web, call APIs, write code, or access databases, all controlled by the LLM. Memory gives the agent context, so it can recall prior tasks, solutions, and track progress. Frameworks like LangChain and AutoGen let developers easily build powerful agent systems from reusable parts. But agents aren't perfect. Hallucinations, where the model makes things up, are a real issue, especially with tools. There is a trade-off between autonomy versus control. You often want a balance between reliability and efficiency, because fully autonomous agents can be unpredictable. High autonomy means more efficiency, but less reliability. High control means more reliability, but less efficiency. Multi-step reasoning is hard to control. Agents might repeat actions, forget goals, or go off track. Tool use may fail or return unexpected results. The agent must handle error. State and memory management also pose challenges. Agents need to remember what they've done across multiple steps or sessions. But LLMs are stateless by default. Memory has to be manually managed. Agents can fail mid-task. Evaluating their success or failure is still a tricky open research problem. Giving LLMs tools, browser, and hardware access raises risks. We need sandboxing, auditing, and strong access control. What's the future? Agents that know your goals, learn your habits, and work alongside you, like a true digital teammate. LLM agents could be the interface to the AI world. Enjoyed this? Like, share, and subscribe for more clear and practical AI tech breakdowns.